Journey with us through the evolution of insurance companies, from their inception in coffee houses of the 17th century to their vital role in modern economies. Dive into the world of insurance, exploring how technology and statistical models have revolutionized the industry, offering personalized products and risk assessment. Discover key players in the insurance industry, like Lloyd's of London, AXA, Allianz, Prudential, and Ping An, shaping the global insurance landscape. Understand the global variations in insurance, witnessing how regulations, market dynamics, and cultural factors shape the demand for different types of insurance. Explore the world of stocks, from the birth of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange in 1602 to the influence of financial powerhouses on global economies today. Delve into the mechanics of the stock market, learn how companies raise capital, and uncover strategies employed by investors to navigate this dynamic ecosystem.